When you try loading a game in AetherSX2 and it shows a missing BIOS image error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to get the BIOS and fix the issue so you can load your game properly. Technically, you're meant to dump the PS2 BIOS from your own PS2 console, but if that's not possible for you, here's an alternative solution. Open your browser and head over to ps2bios.com. On this website, follow the link provided to download the PS2 BIOS. After the BIOS file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder on your phone. You'll see that the file comes in a .zip format, so we'll need to extract it. Tap the file and then choose Extract. Once extraction is complete, go back and open AetherSX2 again. Try tapping the game once more, and when it prompts you to locate the BIOS folder, tap Yes. Now navigate to your downloads and open the folder where the BIOS was extracted. Here, select any BIOS file from the folder. If one BIOS file doesn't work, try importing a different one from the same folder until one of them works for you. Now let's load the game again, and there you go, it loads successfully. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.